From Nana and Gijo. Open it. Let's see what it is.
Ellie, watch out. Ellie. No one's opened a present. Oh my goodness.
Way. What do you see? Hold it up. Let's see. Where's his books? Who is this? Who's that? Fancy Nancy.
Nolan.
2 Fancy Nancy books.
And new movies?
What are these? Stickers. And 2 movies. Franklin, the turtle.
You gonna watch that, Nolan?
And a game, Candyland. What do you say?
Not you, Ellie.
Nolan, what do you say, honey?
Nolan, look up here. Look at Daddy. What do you say to Nona and Gijo? Are you excited? You just are doing. You're so nervous. You're so excited. You're nervous. Shy.
Which one do you like the best? Which one do you want to play with first?
Stickers first.
Stickers first.
Yeah, I will play these stickers.
Okay.
Nolan, what movies did you get?
2.
And you got a new game. You got new Fancy Nancy books.
You want to read those today?
Yeah.
Hey, look. Let's see your shoes. Show Nona and Gijo your shoes you have
got
on.
new shoes on. You wore them to the bar this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Ellie, these aren't for you.
Nolan, say thank you one more time. Say thank you.